Modern manufacturing isn't slow, it's alive. Every machine, every sensor, every decision operates in milliseconds. If data arrives late, intelligence arrives too late to matter. Dados delivers decision-ready industrial state in under 50 milliseconds, end-to-end. We transform live telemetry into clean, time-aligned, queryable state, ready for analytics, dashboards, or agents in real time. Dados operates inside real operational timing windows, enabling informed decisions before small issues become downtime. Industrial systems have strict timing windows. Machines publish live telemetry continuously. That data becomes decision-ready state. Agents query state in milliseconds, detect deviations, and trigger actions. Actions request corrective steps. This is latency, measured, not averaged. The median stays flat. The tail stays tight, under sustained load. Milliseconds determine whether the process is corrected or the failure is recorded. In manufacturing, that timing window determines whether deviations can be corrected in process or become scrap and downtime. In energy and infrastructure, that timing window determines whether instability can be mitigated or protection systems take over. Dados defines a new layer in the industrial stack, the industrial intelligence layer, where live data becomes usable state inside manufacturing timing. It's important to clarify, Dados is not a broker, a historian, or a PLC. Dados runs alongside your existing infrastructure. No rewiring, no downtime, no disruption. This isn't just about delivering more data faster, it's about delivering the right data at the right time. Dados, real-time industrial intelligence, built for machine speed.